चलो स्टार्ट।
Hello students of BMLT second year subject microbiology. This is my last lecture in microbiology and last chapter of microbiology, especially parasitology. In parasitology we have discussed tapeworm, that is platyhelminthes. We have discussed roundworm, that is helminths, and we have discussed parasites, that is entamoeba, etamoeba histolytica, and leishmaniasia, tissue parasite, and tissue and blood parasite, and intestinal parasite. After this, the last chapter for discussion left is culture methods in parasitology. As you know, the culture and sensitivity in microbiology is a special chapter for you in BMLT first year. You have studied there process of sterilization, preparation of culture media, inoculation, then incubation for the growth of the microorganism present in the sample, then their morphology, identification, and lastly we test for the sensitivity of the drug on the organism. So in the same way we go for the culture of the worm, tapeworm, culture of the worm. Culture method of protozoa especially we will take. There are two chapters in your course. Number one is culture method of protozoa and number two hookworm. ठीक है, तो कल्चर मेथड में जैसे हमने आपको बताया कि जैसे हम बैक्टीरियोलॉजी में कल्चर एंड सेंसिटिविटी टेस्ट करते हैं, उसी तरह से हमें इंटेस्टिनल और ब्लड पैरासाइट की मार्फोलॉजी और उसके आइडेंटिफिकेशन और सब ड्रग सेंसिटिविटी के लिए हम ये कल्चर मेथड का उपयोग करते हैं. टुडे आई विल टेक द कल्चर मेथड applied for the protozoans. The culture method for protozoans, we will first prepare the culture media for protozoa. So number one, preparation of incitate test tube with horse serum. It means we will take the test tube, culture test tube, and that culture test tube net and clean. Then after we will treat it with the horse serum, and after horse serum we will heat it. So the test tube will be coated with the horse serum. There will be a coating of horse serum in the test tube. So this process is known as INSPI test. And after that, to each tube, ये जो इंसिपिटेड जो टेस्ट ट्यूब्स है, जिसको हार्ड सीरम के साथ हम कंबाइंड हार्ड सीरम से ट्रीट करते हैं, उसके बाद में सेकेंड स्टेप पर हर टू ईच ट्यूब वी ऐड 2 to 5 ml of egg albumin. Egg albumin is a next ingredient, or this will cover the solid part of medium up to 1 ml of the depth of the tube. Next, the medium tube or slant or broth. You know the medium tube, slant or broth. Slant means when the test tube is kept slanting toward the down position, the surface area of the culture media increases. This is known as the preparation of the slant. And when we keep test tube straight, the surface area of the culture will be reduced. So it is culture plate or culture tube. Then second point is broth. Broth means when the media is in liquid form. When the medium is in liquid form, culture medium in liquid form, then it is called as broth. So what is the difference between culture culture plate or culture test tube and slant and broth. These are three terms that you have to understand, and you have very well studied in culture and sensitivity in the microbiology. So here the medium. So here the medium is kept in incubator at 37 degrees centigrade after preparation. How many ingredients we require for the preparation of the culture media? That is number one, number one, preparation of egg albumin solution. सबसे पहला solution for culture media is preparation of egg albumin solution. इसमें एक चीज आपको ध्यान रखना है, each and every ingredient and instrument or glassware used for the purpose of microbiology must be well sterilized. There should be no there should be no item used unsterilized. If you will use unsterilized instruments, there will be contamination of bacteria or parasite in the media. So sterilization is one of the most important aspect of culture, and here too we have to apply the same principle for. First is preparation of egg albumin solution. We will take about 5 eggs, and we dissolve the albumin of 4 eggs. We dissolve the albumin of 4 eggs in Ringer's solution. What is the Ringer's solution? Ringer's solution is nothing but it is solution containing different electrolytes in the form of sodium chloride, calcium chloride, and calcium chloride and potassium chloride. For this preparation, we will take sodium chloride 9 gram plus potassium chloride 0.2 gram plus calcium chloride 0.2 gram, and all these ingredients are dissolved in a liter of distilled water. Then we will keep in sterilizer, and the solution is well sterilized. Second important solution which is used for the culture media is known as rice rich starch. What do you mean by rice rich starch? Means if you will boil rice, it will leave the starch, जिसको हम हिंदी में माड़ बोलते हैं राइस का, उसको हम जो है ना आपका राइस को वाटर में बॉयल करते हैं एट 180 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड पर 1 आवर। 1 घंटे तक राइस को पानी में 180 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड पर हम गर्म करते हैं, और ये सॉल्यूशन आपका राइस स्टार्च सॉल्यूशन आपका तैयार हो जाता है। इस तरह से आप देखेंगे प्रिपरेशन ऑफ एग एल्यूमिन सॉल्यूशन। प्रिपरेशन ऑफ एग एल्यूमिन सॉल्यूशन मीन्स 4 एग का एल्यूमिन निकाल करके 1 लीटर रिंगर लैक्टेट सॉल्यूशन में हम मतलब उसको डिसॉल्व करेंगे, उसको मिक्स करेंगे, और इसके बाद में आपका उसको ऑटोक्लेव करेंगे। ऑटोक्लेव करने से इस तरह से आपका मीडिया बन जाता है, और यही मीडिया जो है ना आपकी हार्ट सीरम वाली जो टेस्ट ट्यूब्स हैं उसमें हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं अराउंड अबाउट 4 to 5 milliliter of the media in the culture tube or in the culture tube. And if you want to prepare the slant, then you will keep your test tube bending towards the floor. If you want broth, we will not add any coagulating media. Okay, then preparation of rice starch. This all that material.